Hey everybody, it's me, Nature Walks with Dawn, and Sweetie Pie with her cute little outfit. I hope you all enjoy, and God bless, and Jesus loves you all. Love you all out there. Here's a quick little look at my guppies. You can also check them out on my channel, on Nature Walks with Dawn. I have males and females in there, and hopefully I'll get some babies in the future. This is a little pie in her cute little reindeer outfit. To lay down, lay down. Okay, sit. And it's her little reindeer for after Christmas and during Christmas. I thought I'd show it to you, but before it was too late. To see her do a couple of tricks in her little reindeer outfit. Okay, lay down. And Cookie, lay down. Good girl. Crawl. 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 Good girl. Crawl some more. Oh, very good. Okay. Up. High five. For a little Cookie. For being so good. She crawled really good that time. Hot. Oh. Hot pie. Up. Dance. Dance. Good girl. High five. Good girl. High five. Down. And crawl. 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 And roll over. Roll over. I'm gonna go over this way a little bit. Sit. Lay down. Roll over. Good girl. And crawl. And that's all her little tricks she knows. She's really smart and a good addition to her family. I hope you enjoy seeing her little cute tricks. God bless and Jesus loves you all out there. And Pie loves you too. Bye. Love you all out there.